What's good? What's poppin' YouTube? If you're new here, my name is Kenna and I make college, beauty, and lifestyle related content. And today I'm going to be doing a review of Klaiyi Hair or Klaiyi. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but this video is not sponsored, so this will be entirely honest opinions, no holding back. I will not lie to y'all. This is going to kind of be a two-part video, one of me actually showing you guys unboxing it and showing you how I feel about it, and then the second part would just be of me, of course, having it installed, which I do now, and telling you guys how I feel after having it in for a few days. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and without further delay, let's get into this video. All right, guys, so I ordered 3 bundles, 18 inches, body wave, and then I ordered a closure as well that was 16 inches. So that's my order, and it totaled out to be about $152. I ordered on Black Friday because I had to get that deal. So basically the way I heard about this hair company was through a friend. She swears by it. This is actually the friend who's gonna be installing the wig for me. So I just decided to go with her hair vendor. I don't really wear like wigs like that, and she swore by them, said that they ship really fast and the hair is really good quality, so I ordered from them. So I placed my order through the website and I just kind of left it alone. I didn't really think too much about it after that, but then a few days later my friend was texting me, asking me like, oh, where's the hair at so she can like make my wig? And I'm like, oh, I don't know. And like I low-key didn't get a confirmation code, so I went back to the actual page that I ordered the hair from. Luckily I didn't close that tab out, and I realized I never like put my email in to get the confirmation. So I went back and put my email in. I got the confirmation, I believe, but then I emailed them and then I asked them like how far with the hair and all of that, because I did already place my order. I sent them an email and they responded back really quickly, and they basically said, we're sorry, like we're trying to get the hair out, like we'll get it out as soon as possible. And like surprisingly, they got it out that exact day that they emailed me. That was December 8th, and the hair came on December 14th, which was yesterday. So now I'm doing this review, and yeah, so the shipping overall was pretty smooth. I don't know if it would have helped if I had put my confirmation email in like when I ordered the hair, but the shipping was pretty okay. It came through FedEx, shipped right to my door, and now we're here. So this is how it came. So this is like the little bag, big bag, and it says look good, feel great, right? So I opened it up, and so I have my 3 bundles. So this is bundle number 1. This is actually the closure. Bundle number 2. But number 3, so these are my bundles, and I'm gonna show y'all of course in a second. And then they also sent me like a little wig scarf thing. I think it's just a scarf, and it has like their little logo on it. So they sent me this, which is really sweet because I don't have anything for a wig. They sent me this wig cap, so again, really helpful. And then they sent me like this little Christmas button, which I thought was kind of cute. I don't know, they probably just threw it in there as a nice gesture, and that's pretty much it, y'all. So this is one of the bundles after I've pulled it out of the bag. And off the bat, y'all, I really like this hair. Like, first of all, there was no weird smells or anything, and it also feels very thick. And this is like the weft size, if y'all want to see that, but it feels very thick and soft, and it's just really nice. Like, I really like it, and I have no complaints about this. And then this is the closure. So this is the closure, bam. And as you can see, like it's the same hair, which I like it doesn't seem to be any different, same color, same texture, and I really appreciate that. This is just what it looks like. This is the lace and everything. I don't really know. Oh, there we go. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm really liking it, right? And I also measured them both, and they were both true to length. And yeah, y'all, it just feels so soft and so smooth, and I honestly can't wait to get this installed. There was also minimal shedding, like I was running my hands through and everything, and like not much of anything was really coming out. But of course I'll let y'all know what happens when I install it, because it could be an entirely different story. But overall, like I have no complaints about this hair, y'all. Like, I will probably see you guys once I get this installed in my hair. So I'm back with the hair installed. So I got the hair installed on Saturday. It's now Monday, so it's been about 2 days-ish or so, and I am loving this install. So again, it was made into a wig, and she used all of the hair, so it's really full, really thick, all of that. We actually curled it, so that's probably why it's looking, you know, the way it's looking. And I kind of slept a bit wild last night, so the curls are definitely starting to fall. But overall, y'all, I still really like the hair. Even when I brush through it, comb through it, like nothing sheds. It really doesn't shed at all. Very thick, very soft. Again, like I feel like all of the things that I said before about the hair still are true as of now. The closure ended up coming out really well and really like blended with my skin well, the lace and everything. And shout out to my hairstylist Divine as well, because you know it's kind of a two-part thing. Good lace plus good stylist, you know, is a good thing. But I really am loving the hair, and overall, yeah, I have like no other complaints. Like this hair does not shed. It's soft. It does what it needs to do, in my opinion. And for somebody who's like really getting into the wig game, it's not bad at all. Like I really do love it, and I definitely would recommend this hair to anybody who is looking to buy it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment any questions you have below, or just any more content that y'all want to see from me. Turn on my post notifications, follow my socials, and I hope to see y'all in the next video.